The sculpture by Nancy Holt's called the Annual Ring. It was originally on the Federal Building in downtown Saginaw and Genesee, and the sculpture was moved to SVSU, I think in about 2000.
The Annual Ring on SVSU's campus, it's a dome, and then there are 4 actual circular rings built into the dome. The ring through the top of the sculpture is the one that's more important for the solstice. Light shines through and it casts a shadow on the ground where the base of the sculpture is located.
So it will tell you when the exact moment of solar noon is by just watching it.
Solar noon is when the sun is actually at its highest point in the sky during the day. But because we are so far on the western end of the eastern time zone, the solar noon time actually gets shifted by 37 minutes. And then in addition to that, it's daylight savings time, and so there's an additional hour that kind of gets built in there. So solar noon is actually at around 1:37 for us here.
You can see the shadow of it progressing across the ground, and you can kind of watch and wait for it to line up. If you want to welcome in summer officially, it's one way to do it.
Probably the most important thing is just to kind of get people interested in thinking about the scientific world, to get people kind of interested in exploring the world around them.
There is a weird sense of calm being inside the sculpture. It feels quieter. It feels almost like you've walked into a building and the outside world has been shut off. It's a great asset on this campus just to go and sit. That just makes sense to be harmonious with what the sculpture represents.